This document outlines how various users can access and interpret a learner's dashboard and progress. We will cover the steps for learners, program administrators, directors, competence committee members, and competency coaches to navigate the system effectively. Our focus will be on opening the learning path and understanding the learner's field note suite. For program directors, accessing learner information involves a slightly different path. You will begin by clicking on the Curriculum tile or menu. From there, select Learner Curriculum and then click on the specific learner's name to view their details. It's important to note that MedSIS labels the academic coach role in menus and permission lists, which is referred to as competency coach in family medicine, both referring to the same function. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of a learner's progress, organized into various tabs. This includes a detailed breakdown of field notes, their requirements, and current progress. You can easily view the status of each field note, including the percentage of completion and the number of forms submitted. To delve deeper into specific requirements and track progress for any field note, simply click on its corresponding drop-down arrow. Family medicine utilizes two distinct curriculum versions, each with differing tab names. This slide details the purpose of each tab within both the FM Program Curriculum 2026 with requirements and FM Program Curriculum 2021 without requirements versions. For instance, the Promotion Details tab is used to update a learner's stage and status, while Field Notes provides descriptions, requirements, and progress. Other tabs like Supporting Documentation and Reflection Documentation allow for document uploads, either general or field note related, and personal documents, respectively. The Promotion Details tab is where a learner's overall status can be updated and managed. This section allows for the official modification of a learner's stage, status, and the start and end dates of their learning path. While crucial for administrative oversight, this information is not visible to the learners themselves. The overall status field provides options such as progressing as expected, accelerated progressing, failing to progress, and not progressing as expected, ensuring accurate tracking of a learner's journey. The Field Notes tab automatically updates as e-field note forms are submitted, providing real-time progress tracking. This section displays the overall progress towards a stage or field note across program requirements, as well as individual assessment progress. It also shows the number of completed field note forms and the ratings received for performance levels. Statuses like pending, in progress, ready to review, and achieved clearly indicate the current state of each field note or stage. Users with appropriate permissions can also add private or public notes. To gain more insight into specific field notes, simply hover your mouse over in Field Note Entry to reveal 3 interactive icons. These icons provide access to the field note description, additional information on milestone progress and assessment forms, and a history log. Furthermore, the All Data filter allows you to refine the displayed field notes based on various criteria, such as date range, review period, patient demographics, or other contextual variables. This functionality helps users focus on specific data points relevant to their needs. The Supporting Documentation section allows for the upload of relevant documents, which are then visible to authorized personnel, including program administrators, directors, competence committee chairs, members, and competency coaches. Similarly, the Reflection Documentation section enables learners to upload their personal documents. Learners have the option to keep these documents private or make them visible to the same group of authorized individuals, fostering a transparent yet controlled environment for sharing reflective work. The Assessments tab provides a comprehensive list of a learner's assessments and their current completion status. Users can filter results by clicking All Evaluations and sort columns using the up and down arrows. A 3-dot menu offers options to export and print evaluations. The Program Evaluation tab lists program evaluations, such as those for preceptors or rotations. However, it's important to note that this feature is not yet implemented for family medicine programs. The Events tab displays all events a learner is registered for, along with their attendance status, though this feature is not yet implemented for family medicine programs. It provides a clear overview of event details, including dates, times, and participant status. The Procedures tab showcases the procedure logs completed by the learner. Supervisors do not have direct access to view or review these logs. A submitted status indicates that a log is no longer in draft form, and users can filter all procedures by field note, rotation, name, or category. The Summary Report tab allows users to generate a comprehensive PDF report by selecting specific items to be displayed. You can customize the report by choosing a date range, stage, field note details, and attendance information. Options include summarizing milestones, requirements, contextual variables, comments, notes, ITER/WBS procedures, and attendance. Once your selections are made, click Generate to populate and view the PDF report, providing a tailored overview of the learner's progress. This slide presents a sample learner summary report, illustrating the type of comprehensive overview that can be generated. The report provides a snapshot of the learner's progress across various field notes, including their current status, such as in progress or pending. It details the number of forms achieved, in progress, or expired, along with a breakdown of each. A prominent download button is available, allowing users to easily export the entire report as a PDF file for record keeping or sharing. The review dashboard displays documents and recommendations pertinent to competence committee meetings. This includes documents related to specific meetings, with a requirement column that opens a dialog box for downloading templates and uploading documents. The system indicates who is responsible for completing each document, provides links to blank templates, shows uploaded completed documents, and marks when steps are complete and ready for review. It also lists competence committee recommendations.